Hello, smart little learners! Are you ready to move, learn, and have fun? Today we are going to explore 50 super cool action verbs, words that tell what people do. And guess what? You can act them out while you learn them. Let's play, move, and learn English together. Ready? Let's go! 1. Run. Run! Can you run fast like a cheetah? 2. Walk. Walk. Slow and calm, like you're taking a tiny turtle for a stroll. 3. Dance. Dance! Show me your coolest moves. Wiggle, twist, spin. 4. Jump. Jump! Bounce up like a happy little bunny. 5. Sit. Sit. Quiet like a wise little owl. 6. Eat. Eat. Yum, yum. Pretend you're munching your favorite snack. 7. Drink. Drink. Sip your juice. Glug, glug, glug. 8. Talk. Talk. Can you say hello?
Hello? Hello, can I speak to Sally, please?
9. Laugh. Laugh. Ha ha ha. Let's all giggle together. 10. Cry. Cry. Boo-hoo like a baby. Just pretend. 11. Stop. Stop. Freeze like a statue. 12. Point. Point. Show me something in your room. 13. Listen. Listen. What can you hear? Birds? Music? Your heartbeat? 14. Look. Look. Eyes wide open. Look left. Look right. 15. Wave. Wave. Say hi. 16. Clean. Clean. Sweep, sweep. Make it shiny. 17. Draw. Draw. Make a happy sun in the sky. 18. Write. Write. Practice your magical letters. 19. Color. Color. Fill the picture with rainbow magic. 20. Read.
Never let a unicorn scribble.
Read. Open a book and explore new worlds. 21. Lift. Lift. Pretend you're lifting a big fluffy pillow. 22. Carry. Carry. Carry your bag like you're going to school. 23. Push. Push. Push the door open. Eek! 24. Pull. Pull. Pull a heavy toy wagon. 25. Climb. Climb. Up and up like a monkey. 26. Sleep. Sleep. Close your eyes and pretend to dream. 27. Smile. Smile. Big, bright, beautiful. 28. Open. Open. Open your hands like opening a gift. 29.
Hey!
Close. Close. Close the door gently. 30. Clap. Clap. Clap your hands fast, fast, fast. 31. Jump. Jump over the puddle. Splash. 32. Drive. Drive. Vroom, vroom. 33. Hang. Hang like you're on monkey bars. 34. Wear. Wear your shoes. Tap, tap. 35. Throw. Throw. Toss the ball high. 36. Catch. Catch the ball. Got it. 37. Share. Share. Give a bite to your friend. 38. Pet. Pet the soft kitty. Gentle, gentle. 39. Wash. Wash your hands. Scrub, scrub, scrub. 40. Sing. Sing. La, 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 la. 41. Flip. Flip like a superhero gymnast. 42. Blow. Blow the balloon. 43. Whisper. Whisper.
Heart's been broke too many times.
Say hello super quietly. 44. Shout. Shout a big happy yay. 45. Search. Search. Look around like a detective. 46. Ride. Ride your bicycle. Ring ring. 47. Feed. Feed the puppy. Good boy. 48. Play. Play with your toys. Fun, fun, fun. 49. Swim. Swim. Splash like a dolphin. 50. Jump. Jump forward like a superhero taking off. Wow! You learned 50 amazing action verbs. You moved your body, used your imagination, and became an English superstar. If you want to learn more fun English words with pictures and sounds, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you next time, super learners!